Hello, my dear student. Lecture number 12 for SSC Board, chapter number 7, Mensuration. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some problem from problem set 7. Question number 2. A washing tub in the shape of first term of a cone has height 21 centimeter. The radii of circular top and bottom are 20 centimeter and 15 centimeter respectively. What is the capacity of the tub? Pi is equal to 22 upon 7. Okay, now capacity is equal to volume. Solution. A washing tub, that is first thumb shape, R1 is equal to 20 centimeter, R2 is equal to 15 centimeter, H is equal to 21 centimeter. So volume of tub is equal to 1 upon 3 pi into bracket R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2 into H. And therefore volume is equal to 1 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into 400 plus 225 plus 300 into 21, and therefore volume is equal to 22 into 925 is equal to 20,315 cm cube, and hence capacity of tub is equal to 20.35 liters. Okay, you convert into liters, so that is the right capacity. Okay, question number 3. Some plastic balls of radius 1 centimeter were melted and cast into a tube. The thickness, length and outer radius of the tube were 2 centimeter, 90 centimeter and 30 centimeter. How many balls were melted to make the tube? Okay, now this question is important. Try to understand. Now this is a tube and this is a plastic ball. So for tube, thickness is equal to 2 centimeter, length is equal to h, in this case h, 90 centimeter, because this is a cylindrical shape, 90 centimeter. Outer radius r is equal to 30 centimeter and inner radius is equal to r2, that is 28 centimeter. Okay, and this is a plastic ball, radius r1 is equal to 1 centimeter. So volume of plastic required for tube is equal to outer volume minus inner volume, and therefore pi r square into h minus pi r2 square into h is equal to, here you take pi h common, into bracket r square minus r2 square is equal to pi into 90 into bracket 900 minus 784 is equal to pi into 90 into 116 cm cube. Statement number 1. Let number of ball be x. So volume of x ball is equal to x into 4 upon 3 pi r1 cube is equal to x into 4 upon 3 pi 1 cube is equal to 1. So this is the volume of what? X ball. Since tube is made by melting X balls and therefore volume of X balls is equal to volume of tube, and therefore x into 4 upon 3 pi is equal to pi into 90 into 116, and therefore x is equal to 90 into 116 into 3 upon 4, and if you simplify you will get 90 into 29 into 3, and hence number of balls, that is x, is equal to 7830, and therefore 708 balls were melted to make the tube. Okay. Question number 4. A metal parallelepiped of measure 16 centimeter into 11 centimeter into 10 centimeter was melted to make coins. How many coins were made if the thickness and diameter of each coin was 2 mm and 2 centimeter respectively? So now this is a parallelepiped, that means cuboid, having length 16 centimeter, B is equal to 11 centimeter and height is equal to 10 centimeter. This is a coin, diameter is equal to 2 cm and therefore radius r is equal to 1 cm. Thickness, that is what in our case it is h, so it is given 2 mm, so that is equal to 0.2 centimeter. Now let number of coins be x. Since coins were made by melting parallelepiped and therefore volume of x coins is equal to volume of parallelepiped. Now is equal to, therefore x into pi into r square into h is equal to L into B into h1, and therefore x into 22 upon 7 into r1, r, that is 1 into 1 into 0.2 is equal to 16 into 11 into 10, and therefore x is equal to 16 into 11 into 10 into 7 upon 22 into 0.2. Simplify this, is equal to 16 into 11 into 10 into 7 into 10 upon 22 into 2. So this I convert 2 upon 10, and now x is equal to 4 into 10 into 7 into 10 gives you 2800, and therefore 2800 coins were made by melting a given parallelepiped. Okay. Now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.